Hello friends, today we will learn about the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem basically uh, it is applied on the 90-degree angle triangle. So triangle is such a diagram which consists of three sides, and in figure 1 also I have mentioned that there are three sides and 190-degree angle. So the side which is opposite to 90-degree angle is called the hypotenuse side. It is longest side of the triangle. So what theorem says that the longest side, square of longest side is equal to square of the shortest side, and square of the side is equal. So in this case Pythagoras is saying that a square plus b square is equal to c square. So addition square addition of this both the side which is equal to hypotenuse of the same triangle. Now we have two example. In example number 1, hypotenuse value is missing, that which we need to calculate with the help of these two sides. We have given value of these two side, so we will put these two value in this equation. So in this case is 3 square plus 4 square is equal to c square. So 3 square plus 4 square is 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. So c square is 25. So square root of 25 is 5. So c is 5. So value of hypotenuse is 5. In the second example, hypotenuse is given, and smallest side is also given. So we have to calculate side which is mentioned by y. So we will use same formula, that is x square plus y square is equal to z square. So in this case y is unknown for us, x is 5 square and z is 13 square. So 5 square is 25 square, y square is equal to 13 is 169 square. Y square is equal to 169 minus 25. 169 minus 25 is I think 144. But for verification we will do simple subtraction, that is 9 minus 5 is equal to 4, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, again 144. So this is 144. Y square is equal to 144. So square root of 144 is 12, that is y is equal to 2 or 12. So in this way we can calculate any side which is unknown in the triangle. Value of that side is unknown in the triangle if we have two value of the sides. So if you have any doubts related with this example, or you have some similar example with you, and if you are not able to solve this, you can write it in comment section, or I have provided my email id in description section. You can copy my email id, mail me your problem, I will definitely try to solve it. And finally requesting you to subscribe my YouTube channel and like it and share it. Thanks.